Welcome to my channel. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to ensure healthy eating throughout the week. Here are some ideas to get you started. Prepare quinoa and colorful stir-fried vegetables. Bake chicken breast with roasted sweet potatoes. Create mason jar salads with layers of nutritious ingredients. Cook lentil curry with brown rice. Make veggie egg muffins. Try turkey or veggie meatballs with whole wheat pasta. Enjoy roasted salmon with steamed vegetables. Opt for Mexican quinoa bowls, savor Greek chicken wraps, and whip up stir-fried shrimp with brown rice and veggies. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Stir-fried shrimp with brown rice and vegetables. Stir-fried shrimp with brown rice and vegetables is a delicious and nutritious meal prep option. Start by stir-frying succulent shrimp with an array of vibrant vegetables like snap peas, mushrooms, and zucchini. The combination of tender shrimp and crisp veggies creates a delightful texture and flavor. Pair it with fiber-rich and nutty brown rice for a wholesome base. This dish is not only packed with protein, but also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber from the colorful vegetables. It's a satisfying and well-rounded meal that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the week. Number 9. Greek chicken wraps. Greek chicken wraps are a flavorful and healthy meal prep choice. Marinate chicken breast in a blend of tangy lemon, aromatic garlic, and fragrant oregano. Grill or bake the chicken until juicy and tender. Assemble whole wheat wraps with the cooked chicken, refreshing tzatziki sauce, crisp cucumber slices, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy lettuce. The combination of the seasoned chicken, creamy tzatziki, and fresh vegetables creates a delightful Greek-inspired flavor profile. These wraps are not only delicious, but also provide a balance of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They make a convenient and satisfying option for on-the-go lunches or quick dinners throughout the week. Number 8. Mexican quinoa bowls. Mexican quinoa bowls offer a vibrant and nutritious meal prep option. Cook quinoa and combine it with black beans for a protein-packed base. Add grilled chicken or tofu for extra protein, along with a dollop of salsa for a burst of flavor. Creamy avocado slices provide healthy fats, while a sprinkle of cheese adds a touch of indulgence. These bowls are versatile and customizable, allowing you to incorporate your favorite ingredients like corn, tomatoes, or cilantro. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they offer a satisfying and well-rounded meal. With their Mexican-inspired flavors, these quinoa bowls provide a delightful culinary experience while supporting a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Prepare them in advance for easy and nutritious meals throughout the week. Number 7. Roasted salmon with steamed vegetables. Roasted salmon with steamed vegetables is a delightful and nutritious meal prep option. Season salmon fillets with aromatic herbs and spices, then roast them to perfection, resulting in tender and flavorful fish. Steam a medley of vibrant vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots to accompany the salmon. The combination of the flaky salmon and crisp tender vegetables creates a well-balanced and satisfying meal. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and a variety of essential nutrients, this dish supports heart health and provides a boost of energy. Preparing it ahead of time ensures a convenient and nourishing meal throughout the week. Number 6. Turkey meatballs with whole wheat pasta. Turkey meatballs with whole wheat pasta are a delicious and nutritious meal prep option. Create flavorful meatballs by combining lean ground turkey with aromatic herbs, spices, and breadcrumbs. Bake or pan-sear them until golden brown and cooked through. Pair the meatballs with whole wheat pasta, tossed in a light tomato sauce or marinara for added flavor. This dish provides a balance of lean protein from the turkey, complex carbohydrates from the whole wheat pasta, and essential nutrients from the tomato sauce. The whole wheat pasta adds dietary fiber, promoting satiety and digestive health. Prepared in advance, these meatballs and pasta make for a convenient and satisfying meal throughout the week, perfect for busy schedules. Number 5. Veggie egg muffins. Veggie egg muffins are a nutritious and convenient meal prep idea. Whisk eggs with a variety of chopped vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Then pour the mixture into muffin tins. Bake until set, resulting in savory and portable muffins packed with protein and fiber. These versatile muffins can be enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack, or incorporated into meals. They are customizable, allowing you to add different vegetables, herbs, and even cheese to suit your taste. Veggie egg muffins are a fantastic way to start your day with a wholesome and delicious option that can be prepared in advance for a busy week. Number 4. Lentil curry with brown rice. Lentil curry with brown rice is a hearty and nutritious meal prep option. Start by simmering lentils with a blend of fragrant spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric, creating a flavorful curry. Pair it with wholesome brown rice, which provides dietary fiber and complex carbohydrates. Lentils are a fantastic plant-based source of protein and fiber, while the curry spices add depth and warmth to the dish. This combination not only satisfies your taste buds, but also offers a range of essential nutrients. By preparing a batch in advance, you can enjoy the convenience of a ready-to-eat meal that nourishes your body and brings comfort throughout the week. Number 3. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are a convenient and healthy meal prep option. Start by layering your favorite salad ingredients in a mason jar for a visually appealing and portable meal. Begin with the dressing at the bottom, followed by sturdy vegetables, grains, protein, and leafy greens on top. This layering technique helps keep the salad fresh and crisp. When ready to eat, simply shake the jar to distribute the dressing and enjoy a well-dressed and flavorful salad. Mason jar salads are not only practical, but also allow for endless variations, making it easy to customize your meals with a variety of ingredients and flavors. Number 2. Baked chicken breast with roasted sweet potatoes. Baked chicken breast with roasted sweet potatoes is a simple yet delicious meal prep option. Season chicken breasts with herbs and spices, then bake them in the oven until tender and juicy. In the meantime, roast sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper until they caramelize and become perfectly crispy. This combination provides lean protein from the chicken and complex carbohydrates from the sweet potatoes. Packed with flavor and nutrients, this meal is easy to prepare in advance and makes for a satisfying and wholesome option throughout the week. Number 1. Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry is a nutritious and versatile meal prep idea. Cook a batch of quinoa and stir-fry an assortment of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snow peas. The quinoa provides a complete protein source, while the vegetables offer an array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The stir-frying technique helps retain the vegetable's texture and nutrients. You can customize the stir-fry by adding your favorite spices, sauces, or protein sources like tofu or shrimp. Dividing the stir-fried veggies and cooked quinoa into meal-sized portions ensures quick and easy reheating for a wholesome and flavorful meal throughout the week. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.